Hello guys, how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80070643 on Windows 11 and 10 and having message your device is missing important security and quality fixes. If you are also facing such type of issue, Windows Update not conducting on your system, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows settings and run the Windows Update troubleshooters. To do so, from the left side go to system and from the right side click on troubleshoot, scroll down and choose other troubleshooters, and here run the Windows Update troubleshoot. It will take some time detecting problems and wait for some time, checking for pending restart and other diagnosing will occur. So wait for some time and initializing the diagnostic, detecting additional problems, and wait for some time. It will take some time, and after that you will see a result. Problem found, check for Windows Update issue detected. Did we fix your problem? Choose yes. Then the first workaround is run the Windows Update troubleshooter and check whether your Windows Update error code fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is run the Windows Update components. To do so, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Here execute some Windows Update component one by one. All this command path will also available in my video's description. You may copy from there. So first execute these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each times, net stop, and after that execute these 2 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and after successfully execution again execute these 4 commands to start all closed services you have done earlier. Now start all these 4, and after that restart your phone, restart your Windows system. This will definitely fix Windows Update error code. If not, one more fixes is again go to command prompt Windows, type cmd in Windows search box and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute some sfc scan now command to check any corrupted files in your system. Press enter and also execute dism tool to scan your system health. Execute these 4 commands one by one: dism scan health, dism check health, and dism restore health. Execute all these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. After that restart your system. Your Windows Update error code definitely be resolved.